Stop frying potatoes. Put them in the microwave, and you'll be surprised by these 3 irresistible dishes. Hi, it's Tracy. Today, join me in the kitchen to make 3 delicious dishes from potatoes using just a microwave. You'll be surprised that they can be so tasty, crispy, and rich without deep frying. Especially the second dish, I guarantee you'll want to head to the kitchen and try it right away because of its irresistible flavor. Let's get started. The first dish is crispy potato chips made right at home using only a microwave. The method is incredibly quick, easy, and doesn't require deep frying. Start by preparing a sheet of parchment paper. Fold the paper in half, then fold it in half again. Then fold it diagonally to form a pointed corner, and fold it one more time to make it easier to cut. Next, take a plate and measure from the pointed tip at the center of the plate out to the edge, then trim off the excess. This way, you'll have a liner that fits perfectly inside the plate. This helps prevent sticking and makes the potato chips crispier. You can gently crumple and flatten the paper on the plate so it becomes softer and easier to place. Next, prepare 1 to 2 medium-sized potatoes. Soak them in a bowl of lightly salted water for about 5 minutes to remove dirt and kill any remaining bacteria. Then rinse them thoroughly under running water. You should clean the skin well because you can keep it on to make this dish. Next, use a slicer and prepare a bowl of cold water beside you. Then slice the potatoes into thin, even pieces directly into the water to remove excess starch and prevent the potatoes from browning. In addition, this step is very important to achieve a light, crisp texture. After slicing, rinse them again with clean water. Then take them out and dry them by placing the potato slices on a clean towel or paper towels and patting them completely dry. Next, brush a thin layer of oil onto the parchment paper. Then arrange the potato slices in a single layer without overlapping. Lightly brush a bit more oil on top of each slice. Place the plate into the microwave and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes at medium-high power so the potatoes cook evenly. Then flip the slices over and continue cooking for about 2 more minutes. Keep an eye on them while cooking because microwave power can vary. The chips are done when they turn golden brown and become firm. After 2 minutes, take them out. If you see they are not evenly golden yet, you can put them back into the microwave and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes at high power, so the potatoes cook evenly and become crispier. After cooking, take them out onto a plate and let them cool completely. The potato chips will become even crispier as they cool. Finally, sprinkle a little salt, pepper, or your favorite seasoning, such as cheese powder, on top and enjoy. Each evenly golden, crispy chip, combined with the delicious flavor of the seasoning, tastes just like the potato snacks you buy at the store. But what makes it more special is that you made them yourself at home. It's even better when you enjoy them with a bowl of creamy dipping sauce to make this dish even more delicious. Will you give it a try? Next, you'll be surprised that you can boil potatoes until soft and delicious using a microwave. First, prepare about 3 potatoes of similar size that have been washed clean, just like in the previous method. Next, use a fork to poke each potato about 4 to 5 times. This helps release steam during cooking and prevents the potatoes from bursting. Now, take a paper towel, dampen it with water, and wrap it around the potato. This step helps keep the inside of the potato moist. Place it in the microwave and cook on high for about 3 minutes. Carefully take it out, check the softness, and continue cooking in 1-minute intervals until it reaches your desired tenderness, up to about 5 minutes. Once the potatoes are soft, take them out and cut them in half. You'll see they are tender and ready to enjoy right away. However, if you want your potatoes to be more appealing and flavorful, add a little shredded cheese, along with some cilantro on top, or add your favorite toppings. Then return them to the microwave for about 1 more minute until the cheese is fully melted. Now you have a warm, soft, and delicious potato ready to enjoy. This style of baked potato keeps its natural flavor, soft texture, and natural sweetness, combined with the rich creaminess of the cheese and the fresh aroma of cilantro, creating an irresistible, cheesy baked potato that is incredibly simple to make. Finally, here is the microwave roasted potato chunks. Start by cutting the potatoes into small, bite-sized cubes, about 2.5 centimeters each. Try to keep them similar in size so they cook evenly. Place the potato pieces into a microwave-safe bowl. Now it's time to build the flavor. Add your favorite seasonings, just a little salt, and black pepper is enough. Or you can add garlic powder, paprika, or a little olive oil to enhance the richness. Gently mix everything until the potatoes are evenly coated with the seasonings. This step helps each piece absorb the flavor better and taste more delicious after cooking. After mixing well, cover the bowl with a lid or plastic wrap. Then place it in the microwave and cook on high for about 5 to 10 minutes. The exact time will depend on the size of the potato pieces and the power of your microwave. After a few minutes, carefully check the softness. If the potatoes are still firm, continue cooking in 1-minute intervals until they are tender. Once cooked, take them out and let them cool slightly before serving. These potatoes are soft, well-seasoned, and very tasty, perfect as a quick side dish or a light snack. And those are 3 delicious potato dishes made using the microwave today. Each method is quick, easy, and perfect for busy days when you still want a warm and tasty meal. I hope these ideas will make your time in the kitchen easier and more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might enjoy it too. I'd also love to know which recipe you want to try first, so leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.